Today, I'm making a quick and easy cucumber side dish. It's healthy, delicious, and something kids really enjoy. Perfect for those moments when you want just one more simple side. Ingredients: cucumbers, salted kelp. Optional: sesame oil, vinegar, and toasted sesame seeds. Here are the amounts for today's ingredients. Let's start cooking. Wash the cucumbers and line the container with a plastic bag. Cut off the stem end and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Larger pieces stay crunchy, while thin slices absorb more flavor. Place the cucumbers and salted kelp into a plastic bag. A little sesame oil adds a rich aroma, and vinegar makes it a refreshing, light pickle. Hold the top of the bag and gently massage it until the seasonings coat everything evenly. Remove the air, seal the bag, and place it in a container. Let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Leaving it overnight makes the flavor even deeper. Sprinkle toasted sesame seeds if you like. It has a nice color and texture. The cucumbers are crisp, juicy, and full of flavor. The sesame oil adds a warm aroma, and the salted kelp and vinegar make it refreshing and easy to eat. My child kept eating and eating, and it was gone before I knew it. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoy this simple Japanese side dish. You can find today's ingredient links in the description below.